Hello guys, welcome to Commerce Adda online classes. If you are preparing for the UGC NET examination, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Guys, most important UGC NET paper 1 as well as paper 2. Paper 1 as well as paper 2 revision sessions, which is for the free in the Unacademy free platform. I am going to explain the schedule of these free sessions in this last 1 week of time. We have only 1 week of time. So how to enroll to these sessions for the paper 1 and paper 2, and how to see the live sessions which are going to taken by me and various other educators also. Look at here guys. First of all, if you are not there in my Telegram channel, please join in my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description of this video. Commerce Adda UGC NET is my Telegram channel. Look at here. This is my Telegram channel name, Commerce Adda UGC NET. The link is given in the description. If that link is not working, then search it in the Telegram, Commerce Adda UGC NET. You will get my Telegram channel. All the PDFs and links are available. Links for the live session and recorded version. So many recorded videos are there. So you can go through with the links. Now guys, for paper 1, first we are going to discuss for the paper 1. Paper 1 live sessions, which is starting from tomorrow, that is from the 19th September onwards till 24th it will be there. 19th to 24th, daily 1.5 hour quick revision sessions for the total 6 subjects I am going to take up in this, and remaining 4 practical that you can take care at your end. Total entire revision of the paper 1, 6 subjects will be there, which is at 12 p.m. daily from 19th, that is tomorrow. 12 p.m. to 1:30, 12 p.m. to 1:30 will be there from 19 to 24. So here look at the links of this paper 1 quick revision special live classes at Unacademy free platform. No need to pay anything. This is for free. Just what you need to do is download the Unacademy learning app and click on the link. These all links for the paper 1 and paper 2 I will be providing in the description. The PDF I will provide in the description, or else I will provide the links of all these in the description of this video. Kindly go through with each and every link and enroll to it, or else you can directly go to my profile by using this link also, and where you can find all these sessions in a sequence wise, and already completed special classes, various things are available for free that you can take care at your end. Tomorrow communication revision, and day after tomorrow research aptitude, that is on 20, 21 teaching aptitude revision, 22 ICT revision, 23 higher education revision, 24 people and environment revision. Right, from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. kindly come at a live classes. If you are not yet come to my classes, first come and decide whether these are useful for you or not, because PDF also you can able to download from those sessions. And these are with respect to paper 1 guys. Now if you go to the paper 1 live sessions, NTA UGC NET Commerce paper 2, Commerce, that is paper 2, we started yesterday only, that is 17th. Commerce previous year question with explanation series have been started. Yesterday at 6 p.m. the business finance PYQs have done with respect to one session, and daily 6 p.m. Today also we are having session at 6 p.m. in Unacademy free platform. The schedule for the commerce previous year question in the Unacademy free platform is, yesterday we have completed business finance. If you didn't watch this business finance PYQ, you can click on this link and you can watch it, or else go to my profile in the completed special classes, you can see this. Today marketing management previous year question with explanation will be there, and business management and HRM, 20 banking, 21 international business and business environment, 22nd accounting, 23rd legal aspects of business. These are the 8 sessions that are useful. Like a total 7 sessions have been launched. Another economics and statistics also will come after 24th, because I am waiting for the date of the commerce shift so that we can launch the session also. Next, these are the commerce PYQ guys. Total all links of this paper 1 and paper 2 I will be giving in the Telegram channel, that is Commerce Adda UGC NET Telegram channel. Link is given in the description, and my Unacademy profile link also will be given in the description. After downloading the Unacademy learning app, choose the NTA UGC NET. Like this is how you need to follow the sequence guys. First download the Unacademy learning app. download Unacademy learning app if you are not yet downloaded. This will be available in the Play Store. After that, create a profile by selecting NTA UGC NET as a category. Then go and check what my name, or else click on the link given over here in the description. This link will be given, unacademy.com/Shiva Vodnala. The link will be given in the description. Just if you can click on the description link, you will be getting a profile called as an Vodnala Shivlingam, which is my profile. After that, go to special classes category. Special classes category will be there. In that special classes category, you can find all these links which I given over here, or else you can directly click on these links and go to that session. How? I will tell you. Look at here. I'm clicking now. Where it will go, you can see. Communication, communication. It has to go to the communication in my profile section. Just click on it. Now it will go through with this session. What you need to do, you should click on this notify me. You should click on this notify me. Whenever session is going to start, before 15 minutes, you will get a notification. In the same way for the paper 2 also. Look at here, paper 2 live sessions. These are for the paper 1. If you can click each of the link and notify me. Click on notify me. Each of the link and notify me. And here business finance we completed. If you can click on that link, you can able to watch the recording directly by this link. Just click on the watch now. You will be able to watch this session, and you can able to download the each and every session PDF also. This is how the session are going to be there, and these are much useful. Marketing management PYQs today at 6 p.m. Click on that link and notify me. Click on notify me, so that you will get to know the things when it is going to start. Before starting itself, you will get the notification that session is going to start. And in the live session, what you can do is, you can see the entire live session, and you can download the PDF of each session with explanation. PYQs of commerce with explanation will be there, and PYQs of paper 1 also with explanation. I completed so many special classes are available. Kindly go through with my profile. In the special classes icon, there is a bunch, so many number of special classes are available. Go through with that link, and you can take a benefit in this last 1 week period. Don't waste even 1 minute of time in the last 1 week period. So it is much useful sessions. I'm not going to chit chat, or I'm not going to waste your time in this peak time. So kindly go through with the links which are more beneficial, and don't forget to follow me in Unacademy learning app, and don't forget to join in my Telegram group Commerce Adda UGC NET. These are all links, whatever I mentioned. The PDF of this session, PDF of this total quick revision sessions of paper 1 and paper 2, I will be mentioning in the description with a Google Drive link. Just download the PDF, or else I will be providing all links over here, and I will be keeping this PDF available in the Unacademy, in the Commerce Adda UGC NET Telegram channel PDF, so that you can able to download and go through with the each and every link. Thank you so much. We'll be meeting in a class at 6 p.m. commerce. If you are a paper 1, then tomorrow 12 p.m. we will be meeting it. Thank you so much. Bye bye to all.